Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. And listen, I don't know when you're watching this video, but I'm creating this video during the time of self-quarantine from coronavirus. And one of the things that I miss the most is being able to enjoy my favorite meals from my favorite restaurant. So today, I've got a restaurant-style meal that's easy for you to do at home that you're going to enjoy. It's gonna be my lobster risotto, okay? So the other day I went out and picked up some lobster tails, put them in kind of food saver bag. Look like this, little cutesy lobster tails, all defrosted. But I've also got some lobster stock, and that's gonna be very important for our risotto. So a pan is heated up. We add olive oil, and then to the oil, I'm gonna add in some leeks. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rice. Now I'm using arborio rice, which is what you want to use whenever you're making risotto. All right, how good is that? And we'll let it toast up just until the rice turns sort of a golden brown color. All right, and then we can go ahead and deglaze with a little bit of white wine. All right, and then the rest of the process is pretty simple. As the white wine cooks out, we'll add some stock, a little bit at a time, and then we'll keep adding stock until the rice is nice and tender. Let's deal with the lobster. You want to be careful. I'm just going to split them right down the middle and then pop them open. All right, let's season these up by adding a little bit of olive oil. I've got some fresh cracked pepper, and I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt. All right, so I've got my risotto. It's just about done. I mean, I wish you could smell it. It smells fantastic. It's super rich and creamy, which is what we're going for. But we got a few more things just to make it, you know, like an insurance policy, just to make sure it's really, really creamy. So I've got some Pecorino Romano cheese and then a little mascarpone cheese. So I've got that grill pan, nice and warm. We'll throw that lobster right on there. Now I've got some lemon thyme from my garden that we'll just throw in there as well. All right, we can grab these grilled lobster off of this grill pan. Look at that. So, I mean, look at how creamy this risotto is, this lobster risotto with that lovely lobster stock that we put in here. You know how you gotta just close your eyes. Become one with it. And just get a little bit of that lobster. You gotta give it a try, I'm telling you. Super easy to make. And recipes like this, you know where to find them on my website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's some YouTube things I want to tell you. This is so good. As I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food, y'all. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking.